Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll share with you how you can choose the perfect color for your home, step by step. Have you ever wondered why you feel a certain type of calmness when you're inside a blue-walled room? Do you suddenly feel happy when you see something colored yellow? This is because color has a direct influence in our moods and emotions. Therefore, how you decorate your house through colors is important, as I'm sure you would want to come home to a space where you feel comfortable after a stressful day. However, before you begin, you have to decide what type of vibe you want and what emotions you want your home to evoke. Do you want it to look playful, calming, rugged? By deciding which direction you want your decor to be, you can narrow down the shades or colors that go well together and form a suitable color palette for your home. You can choose between warm tones or cool tones, depending on your mood. Warm tones such as oranges and reds give off a warm, cozy feeling, whereas cooler tones like blue or purple give off a calming, soothing feeling instead. Therefore, colors have an important role when decorating or designing your home. Some colors are more appropriate than others for certain rooms in a house. The type of color and pattern used in a room should express the purpose for which the room is intended. Light and peaceful colors may be used in the rooms in which most of the time of the day are spent. For example, colors like pastel blue partnered with white would be the perfect combination for the living room to encourage relaxation. So for today, we will look at what each color means and the emotions they evoke, so you can be better informed when you want to decorate or redecorate your home in the future. Without further ado, let's begin! Red is the universal color of romance and passion. It is an eye-catching color and can be used to accent certain decors in a neutral-colored room. This can make one feel contemporary, traditional, or rustic, depending on what you partner it with. Personally, a touch of red goes well with white as it adds a pop of color and dimension in a uniformly painted room. Many tend to think that pink is a girly color and should not be used in decor as it may not suit a variety of other colors. However, there are actually endless shades of pink, with each shading stimulating different moods. Bright pinks typically relate to energy and glamour. It is bold and adds a playful touch in a space, while soft blush pink or pastel pink creates a soothing feeling instead. It is also used for a minimalist concept due to the calming feeling it evokes and is usually partnered with chocolate brown, gray, black, and white. Orange is a beautiful bright color, reminiscent of the sunset or sunrise. It is no doubt a color that can warm you up when surrounded by it. However, this color can be overwhelming if not used correctly. A deep orange color can be bold during the day and opposite in the evening, so placement of this color in decor is necessary as you do not want to overpower the other components of the space. Orange typically stimulates appetite and therefore is a good idea to be in the dining room or kitchen. The color yellow adds optimism to your house and prompts feelings of happiness. It also stimulates memory or promotes communication. A sun-kissed yellow brings the thought of summer and warmth in your house. A pale yellow can also make the room feel and look larger than it really is. Don't be daunted of its bright properties, as yellow is actually a fun color when it is used correctly. Green represents growth and renewal. It is typically associated with the color of grass and leaves. It leaves a calming feeling to the room. It is a color often used to breathe life into a space due to the pop of color it brings. This kind of green can be through plants or ornaments at any part of the house that is neutral in color. Blue represents calmness, freshness, and strength. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean, hence the association with these feelings. A high shade of blue, like a sapphire shade, can add drama and boldness to a home, while a light sky blue can make one feel tranquil. Its cool tone is perfect if you want to feel refreshed in your home, like in the bathrooms or even the bedrooms. The color purple is associated with royalty and creativity. This can be a combination of exciting and exotic flair. It can be dramatic or quiet depending on the shade. Gray relates to serenity and has an inherent calm, sophisticated feeling. Sometimes, a solid darker color symbolizes strength. Gray often complements other colors and is often used as a neutral color. Oftenly, gray is done in spaces like a den or office. Brown encourages people to slow down and relax. It is often associated with nature and natural material. Brown is the color of the earth and its richness makes one feel invited. However, your choices are definitely not limited to these colors. There are a myriad of different shades and tones that you can choose from depending on your mood and preference. When selecting paint colors for your home, you can let the room help you decide. Start by picking a focal point that the rest of the room is designed around. This can be a piece of art, a piece of furniture, a rug, or even a pillow. Then coordinate everything else in the room with that item. After you've selected some colors you want to consider, it's time to test those colors in your home. It's important to consider how the room's lighting may affect the colors. A lot of natural light may tend to make colors appear brighter, while lower light levels may make them seem darker. The color of the ceiling also plays a big role in determining the feel of the room. An accent color can be a nice design touch for the ceiling, but if it's a smaller room with neutral tone walls, you'll want to paint the ceiling the same color to give the room the perception of a greater space. I hope these tips help you create a coordinated palette that will give your home a perfect refresh. How about you? How do you think colors in your home make you feel? Comment down below which color suits your personality the best, and do let us know what else you would like to learn next. Do subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we'll post our next lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye!